Here are some lesser-known facts about the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is not a single continuous wall, but a series of walls, trenches, and natural barriers like mountains and rivers. It was built and rebuilt over different time periods and dynasties. The Great Wall was not visible from space until the invention of satellites in the 20th century. This is because the wall's width is not wide enough and blends in with the surrounding landscape. The Great Wall was not just built by men, women, children, and even prisoners were also forced to work on the construction of the wall. The materials used to build the Great Wall vary depending on the region and time period. The most common materials were earth, brick, and stone. The Great Wall was not completely successful in keeping out invaders. While it may have slowed down some attacks, invaders were still able to breach and cross the wall in some places. There are many legends and myths associated with the Great Wall, such as the belief that it is haunted by the ghosts of workers who died building it. Some sections of the Great Wall have been damaged or destroyed due to natural causes, such as erosion and earthquakes, while others have been damaged by human activities such as tourism and development. Overall, the Great Wall of China is a fascinating piece of history that has many interesting and lesser-known facts associated with it.